conversation.
He's shocking me.
Nobody's shocking you.
Having you
Sir.
trained.
Sir.
Trained, yeah. These animals right here. Trained. The dogs surrounding us. Trained.
You'd be calling people dogs.
That I said it. You shut me. And what's after you? No, you are trying so hard to tell me and to show them. That's what I said when it happened. Look! This is what happened. Look. You're shocking me. My pants drop. I want the cups. I want the cups.
If you would like to talk, I'm more than happy to call
You
the
want me
cops for you.
to?
That's not what I don't want to do.
Show what I said. It happened. Where it happened?
Okay. All I'm asking is that you don't talk
Yeah,
to
you
the
can
vendors.
take me a minute.
You don't talk
And
to
then,
people as they're coming in.
hey, he wants to shock me somewhere else. For you not to see.
No.
Complain about the pants. I want you to call when you're not shocking.
I'm not trying to shock you.
See, you're trying so hard to work so hard.
I just want to.
Look,
all I want
you're
is
shocking me when I'm complaining my pants. It's raining, it rained. See? I am not.
I don't want you to get hurt.
When he's shocking me, not shocking me.
I apologize.
She's shocking me. See? So you and me, rain, what you say, I love you.
Can you step up on the sidewalk?
Or one of the things for you.
Where can
No
I stand
problem.
and you can get on the side? Thank you,
No
Barry.
problem. Here's my hand.
That's
Your cup?
no.
You call cups for me.
I'd be happy to do that if that's what you want.
Shocking you to drop and what to drop to show to everybody said.
Sir, I just
Right.
be yelling at people. That's the only thing.
And you cannot run. Shock you.
Don't call the cops, they'll just hurt him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir,
See,
you
you're
just have to
shocking me to make you think I couldn't run because my pants was down before. No,
you be yelling behind
no
the
problem.
vendors,
No
okay?
problem.
So you have
See?
to be quiet.
He's
As soon as
I
long
am
as you're
quiet.
quiet, you're more than welcome to stand up.
shocking me. That's when he's talking to me, offering me help, asking him for help. My pants drop and make me think and make you think still. Training and the dog training, no problem.
You have to have the volume down a little bit.
Look, he's making you think. That's what happened when I said I love you. I don't love this guy.
Okay.
Make you think.
Don't worry about
I
it.
said, no problem. No problem.
You just have to yell.
I'm not yelling at all. You making them think I was yelling before. I said what I said.
Volume is a little loud.
You tell-
I apologize. If I said yelling, that's not what I...
Still
If that's not yelling, I apologize. I just need you to be a little quieter.
shocking me, working hard, that I told you,
Sir,
shock me.
sir.
Look, I want a cops,
I don't want to call the cops.
911.
Right. I don't want to call the cops.
Ask for lighter. And
If I call,
Look,
if I call the cops, would that be helpful to you? That's all.
if I ask you to run,
Sir,
these dogs, I don't love you, I didn't yell.
I'm sorry, but you're being
You
loud.
making me report it?
I'm not.
When I yelled and asked yelling happens before. Right there, right there.
I understand, but
You're
I'm not.
making them think
Sir,
and trained. Still,
I'm on the side.
No problem.
I just don't need you to get
no problem.
You just volume has to go down.
I didn't go volume.
And I-
You making them think.
No.
I said what happened.
I'm trying to have a conversation.
He's shocking me,
Nobody's shocking you.
having you
Sir.
trained.
Sir.
Trained, yeah. These animals right here.
Sir.
Trained. The dogs surrounding us. Trained.
Can't be calling people dogs.
Look,
That's
I'm not calling you dogs. I said the dogs.
I'm sorry. I misunderstood. I apologize.
Surrounding, training.
I don't. Sir. The volume.
No problem. Including.
I don't. You
And what
not
is
part of the market.
and got dropped and worse still happened.
I apologize for the role I played.
No problem.
That's
Still trained to follow you when you first drop, and you drop, did, and say I love you.
yeah.
No problem. See? You make me think. I'm trying. He wants you to think he was saying to me sorry before I want to ask I love you, mother.
You can't be yelled.
You don't know.
That's yelled.
Look, that's when he's recording what he's recording.
Sir. I don't-
He's telling you when to say and when he stopped recording.
Sir. He's not involved in this. He is.
Well, take your hands from them.
Sir.
Trained
No.
to follow
Okay.
you. When your pants drop
Sir.
and you drop, then
Sir. Not me.
no problem. You making them think.
I'm just
I
trying
said,
to
come with me.
I'm just trying to speak.
Come with me. I don't want to hurt these guys or anybody here. I don't want to hurt no kids.
Hold on.
You come. You making them think. I said before I run, like run, and the dogs after me.
Sir. I'm sorry. I just
No problem.
you either have to be on the sidewalk.
Call the cops for me. I don't want this animal right here
Sir.
after me.
Nobody's having it.
You making them make everybody think, right, including them. I do. See?
No, I just don't want you to fall on the street.
Wants me to run. Have the dog ready after me. Drop dead before it happens. See? Look. That's when they want you to run. I'm not after nobody. I will not kill at you, laugh at you. See? And tell you I love you at all. If